my channel Aviation Tech. I hope you all are clear with my last video. In that video, I discussed about engineering drawing part 3, and today I came in front of you take a new video part 4 engineering drawing, and I hope you all are watched till end of the video. Before that, don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Now come to our new topic, engineering drawing part 4, and let's start now. Graphic projection. When a projector are parallel to each other and also perpendicular to plane, the projection is called orthographic projection. Means when a ray pass through an object to parallel to each other and perpendicular to plane means when a ray pass through an object and perpendicular to the plane of projection, means when an object pass through this plane, projection is called orthographic projection. When different views of orthographic projection are suited together, then they supply all information regarding the shape and size of block object. Means when a different views orthographic projection all information, मीन्स अगर हम अलग अलग एंगल से व्यूज़ उस ऑब्जेक्ट को देखें तो वो हमको हर एक उसका साइज से पूरा ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन देता है वो ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शन. मीन्स दिस इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दिस इज अ different type of views, top views, side views and front views. This is isometric projection, and see what is isometric projection. And isometric views use a combination of the views of orthographic projection and tilt the object present so that portion part of all three views can be seen one views. Means one isometric views a combination of views of an orthographic projection. Means a combination of views orthographic projection. In that, in orthographic projection present time, and this time object is placed in normal way, and in isometric projection object placed in a just little bit tilt to the orthographic projection, and see the different type of views. All three views can be seen in one views. Means orthographic projection can see three different type of views. In isometric projection, see all different type of views combined with one views is known as orthometric projection. This provide the observer with a three-dimension views with an object line in an isometric drawing are parallel and dimension as they are in an orthographic projection. Oblique projection. An object view is similar to isometric views except for one distinct difference. In an oblique drawing, two of the three drawing axes are always right angle to each other. Means oblique projection oblique projection are similar to isometric projection except one means जो oblique projection है वो similar है isometric views के. उसमें केवल एक डिफरेंस है जो कि oblique drawing में जो 2 या 3 लाइन है वो उसमें से 2 लाइन एक आपस में एक दूसरे के राइट एंगल ईच हैं आपस में, और बाकी है थोड़ा टिल्ट रहेगा 120 डिग्री लाइक दिस. दिस इज अ ऑब्लिक प्रोजेक्शन. पर्सपेक्टिव प्रोजेक्शन. A perspective view show an object as it appears to an observer. It most closely resembles the way and the object would look in a photograph. Because of perspective, some of the line of an object are not parallel, and therefore the actual angle and dimension are not accurate. Means perspective projection are very different to oblique and isometric projection, because in this projection all our dimension are different, and all line are not parallel to each other and not right angle, and therefore the acute angle and dimension are not accurate. This is a plane of projection, and this object and line of sight means projector, and this is a view, and this man is a observer. Plane of projection. What is the plane of projection? The two plane employed for the purpose of orthographic projection are called reference plane or principal plane of projection. Means when a ray pass through an wall, so this wall is called a plane of projection. They intersect each other at right angle. The vertical plane of projection in front of observer is denoted by vertical plane. Means the vertical plane of observer in front of observer. The vertical plane of projection in front of observer means, suppose you are a observer and you see a object and see a object and just make a vertical plane, and so this is a vertical, so you can called vertical plane of projection. And similarly, the horizontal plane of projection is denoted by horizontal plane. The line of intersection is denoted by reference line XY. See, and you are studying in 12th standard quadrant trigonometry. Sorry, 11th standard in trigonometry. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and fourth coordinate. And this is a vertical plane, horizontal plane, vertical plane, horizontal plane. These two plane of projection divided the space into four coordinate: first, second, third, and fourth coordinate. First coordinate object at above. Means suppose in this figure, first coordinate object at above HP means horizontal projection. Sorry, horizontal plane means object placed at a horizontal plane, and in front of VP means vertical plane. And second coordinate object at above HP means object is placed at a horizontal plane at above and behind vertical plane. And in third coordinate object at below HP and behind BP. And in fourth coordinate object at below HP and in front of BP. Method of orthographic projection. Depending on the position of an object in a quadrant, orthographic projection can be found in following four ways: first angle projection, second angle projection, and third angle projection, and fourth angle projection. So first angle projection. In this projection, the object is assumed to be situated above HP and in front of BP. Above HP means हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से ऊपर और एंड वर्टिकल प्लेन के सामने ऑब्जेक्ट को हम रखेंगे. दैट इज इन फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट. हियर द ऑब्जेक्ट लाई बिटवीन द प्लेन ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन एंड द प्लेन ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन एंड ऑब्जर्वर. मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट लाई करेगा किसके बीच में? प्लेन ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन एंड ऑब्जर्वर के बीच में ऑब्जेक्ट लाई करेगा. व्हेन द व्यू इमेज एंड ड्रॉ द टॉप व्यू कम रिलेटिव बिलो द फ्रंट व्यू. Second angle projection. In this projection, the object is assumed to be placed above HP and behind VP, that is second coordinate. Here the POP means plane of projection lie between object and observer. means in second quadrant POP means plane of projection, like plane of projection किसके किसी बीच रहेगा, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जर्वर के बीच, means and when the views image are drawn, the top view come relative below the front view. Third angle projection. In this projection, the object is assumed to be placed below HP and behind BP, that is third quadrant. Here the POP means plane of projection lie between object and observer. When the view image are drawn, top view come relatives above front view, means top view come relative above front views, मीन्स जो टॉप व्यू है वो फ्रंट व्यूज के ऊपर बनेगा, मीन्स सबसे पहले टॉप व्यू फिर उसके बाद फ्रंट व्यू शो करेगा. फोर्थ एंगल प्रोजेक्शन. In this projection, the object is assumed is placed as SP in front of VP in fourth quadrant. When the views image are drawn, the top view come relative above front view. Plane projection of a point. See the figure. Projection of a point in first coordinate. Point A above HP and in front of BP. The C means point A above HP. Point A is placed as above HP and in front of BP, means in front of BP. So this is a first quadrant. And make a orthographic projection like this. A point may be situated in place in any of the four quadrants formed by two principal POP or may lie in any one or both of them. Its projection is often the extending projection perpendicular to the plane of projection. So today I will stop here. So in next video I will discuss here this point. So thank you.